to step back a little bit. Be up the front here. And this is the nice. This is the thing we're playing with. The basketball, we got a little special surprise music stuff. Who won this thing last year? That's you in the hat! Keep your eyes on this. What was your time? Yeah, right. Okay. Don't touch those gears until everything's right. Let's loosen up right now, too. Loosen up a little bit. Everybody get the elbows up. Let's do a full spin, a tight spin right here. Can't do no spin, all right?
Okay.
Jumping jack. I won't look.
Okay.
Okay. We got to go through some rules here. Follow the judges. Okay, let's see. There's one thing that you do that's right. There's like 6 things that you do that's wrong. So I'm going to use you right here. Go ahead and get out of your face. There you go. That's fine, don't worry. It's not cheating. Okay, here, this is what you do. You need a face like you're facing right now. Keep facing out. Okay? Go ahead and move that. Just go ahead and stick that straight out towards them. You're going to be fine. That's where you need to be right there. This is what we're looking for. I'm good for all that. I'm good for all that. Keep holding that out there. Let me get some. There you go. Okay, 45-degree angle, ladies. Right here. That's a no. That's a no. All right. Take it all the way back. It's turn up and push you to wrap that thumb. Wrap the thumb around. Up to the top. Thumbs on top. Thumbs okay. Do whatever you want with that thumb. Okay, everybody got it? Questions, comments? If you spill a beer, it's going to lead us to this presentation that I say that give these guys a little leeway. They touch them because it's on top. We got some time here, so they're going to tell you like, hey, you're up here, you're down here. Like, they'll give you maybe one chance to pass it. So, are we ready to go? Hang on 1 second. Yeah, we're ready for the next track. I love this song. Follow instrumentals. Yeah, let's go ahead and lift them up. You can hold them with both hands right now. I want everybody to stick it out. They go into the song right here. It's not even that is. Ready? Here we go. Stick them out. There we go. Good, hold it out. I'm going to tell you, the judges are going to work with you on this and give you like one leeway. This one right here, hey, that's your wife. She can't outshine you. Good. Man, where we have time here? Who's keeping time? 55 seconds so far. You're doing great. Look at me. Can everybody in the Orchie Dome hear us over there? All the illustrious hollers falling like they're dropping like flies. The girls had 3 minutes. I say we'll give these guys 4. Who? Where is he?
Somebody got it.
I like cheer. It makes me a jolly fellow.
Dude, I started shaking so much.
Who? Is he the winner? That guy last year? Alright, who thinks they're going to win this year? Nobody. Me too. Who is it? Scott, this guy got the money on this guy. He's an offshore down in Austin, Texas.
Thanks for the support, guys. I felt this great.
Who knows they have tutorial on what we're doing?
Yeah, I heard you. Yours is shooting like, wow. Hell yeah.
They're saying the fun doesn't matter. Put the thing wherever you want. Hang on a second. Don't fuck this up now. Don't fuck this up. 1, 2 years in a row? Okay, what years? Man, I sure like to be down here. Who thinks they're going to suck at this? Can I get you out and get him in here? Okay. Because that guy on the very end was taking a PT.
He's really gonna practice. Okay,
He's
what was my
stretching.
time?
I want to see him in here. Let's get him in
And
here.
this weighs how much?
Orangey. Let's go over here. Let's go. Get him down here. Yeah, I want to keep your eyes on this
What's
stuff.
the class?
Yeah, the class is
Okay,
like,
feel this. How much is
All right, I'm gonna leave him down here.
it's like 5.5 pounds.
John Doe, he can sit.
Yeah.
He looks like a piece of pie. What the hell am I seeing? All right, remember, what we do is we hold it out here. We don't go here. We don't go there. You can do whatever you want with the thumb. You don't, as soon as you start, lock the elbow. No Virginia back. That stuff, like, that's all wrong. You just gotta hold it out there. Every competition, who can do this the longest. So, there we go. I picked out a special song for you guys. And this song, I need participation from the audience. It's one part. I need a fist pump from everybody. We've got like 6 drones in here that are doing it all. It's a thing. So let's go ahead and start that Sinead O'Connor track right now. Woo! Pick them up. Let's go. This is a 4-minute and 50-second song. Do it. Let's go. Who knows this song? Who knows what to do? Right? Let's go, Eric! Everybody can settle in. You got headbangers up here. I changed the lyrics up a little bit. Right here. Too late. We need you to pay. Place your arm from the side. Good track though. How's everybody feeling? Somebody's looking. Wrong song. That one was a dead on the face. Alright, look. I got a part coming up right now. Guys, get your cameras out. You're going to want to see this. How many people in the crowd have hands? Almost all of you. That's great. Let's get it up in the air. We're going to get these guys going because they're starting to get television right now. So we're going to give these guys some love. Are you ready for this? Just follow me into this, okay? Trust me. Here we go. I'm going to pick it up in 5 seconds. Ready? Hands up in the air. Right now. Hey! 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 Don't just sit down! Hey! 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 right, this is a ditty. I thought this was going to be good. You did good. You survived the whole Angel of Death set. We got 3 guys left. 2 guys that have won it repeatedly. 1 new guy.
There's some winners out there.
He's got a piece of Kitty said he's out. Now we got the 2 kids. We got 2 guys, 2 champions. 1 prize of $100,000. I see it all around me. People moving their pants. It's $100,000. You got